The rebel. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. Students, who is a rebel? A rebel is a person who would contradict others in order to be different. Here the poet DJ Enright describes about a young adolescent trying to be different. In the first and second stanzas, we see that when the rebel encounters a group of people with short hair, he would allow his hair to grow long. When he sees people growing their hair long, he would end up cutting his short. And seeing everybody talk during the lesson, the rebel suddenly finds his silence most valuable. However, because he is a rebel, he creates disturbances when he sees that everyone else has become quiet. And because he constantly seeks attention by doing that, what others don't do. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. In the third and fourth stanza, we see that the rebel always wants to showcase and exhibit himself as different. He would wear colorful clothes when everybody else is dressed up in uniform. And the moment he sees others dressed up in different and colorful clothes, he would wear uniform. When the rebel finds himself in the company of dog lovers, he begins to prefer the cats. On being surrounded by cat lovers, he would prefer dogs. His preferences and choices never seem to match with anyone else in the group. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. In the fifth and sixth stanza, we see that the rebel would appreciate the sun while all others would be welcoming the rains, and he would miss the rains while others would be enjoying the sun. The rebels are people who are usually all alone, for they prefer to take on a different path. When others go for meeting, they stay at home and read a book. When the others stay at home, they go to the meeting. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. By DJ Enright. In the seventh and last stanza, we see that it is impossible to make the rebel agree with anyone at all. Saying yes when everyone says no and saying no when everybody says yes is another character trait of the rebel. Now, students, is it good to have rebels? Having rebels around us is beneficial as they train us to acknowledge the difference. However, it is not good to be a rebel because they are not accepted by the society.